Hello lovelies, it's a bright day, but it's very cold wind today, and then it rained all day and all night yesterday, so I'm not going to complain if it's nice and dry and sunny. This is our second attempt at making a film, so because my phone packed up, so I lost a lot of footage. But anyway, got a new one now, or a replacement one anyway, so let's try again. Go and see what flowers we can find, what edibles we can get, and what tasty treats we can cook up later. Come on. See the pig nuts coming through there. This frondy leaf. The badgers will be digging them up soon. Certainly going to pick a few ramson leaves to go with my tea. Just going to take a few little violet flowers to add to my salad. Bit of colour and sweetness. Don't take them all from the same place. Just take the odd one here and there. And I'm most definitely going to take a few little hawthorn buds because they're very tasty. Got some white violets here. They're pretty. That little purple and white. Very nice. There's a few bramble shoots as well. It's a bit of a wintry shower just come on. Little hailstones and flurries of snow. Crazy weather. Millie's not very pleased about this. These are big. I'm just not quite sitting on Millie, but just shouting her a bit. She's not keen. Well, there you are. These are big. We're getting a good beating. Yep. And now the sun's trying to crack through again. Spring, eh? Keeps you on your toes, don't you? So I'm smelling very strongly now of the wild garlic. Especially after it's just had a little bit of a pounding from all that hail. Good strong whiff now. Well, that's a bit easier. On the other side of the hill, out of that wind. That wind is biting. Whew. Didn't expect hailstones. We mentioned rain at one point, but oh well. Bit of added interest. Some decent sized ones as well. No wonder Minnie was hiding. She's getting the battering, wait a minute. Just spied the first wood anemone open. It's supposed to be an indicator of the end of the wintry weather. In amongst all these hailstones. Nice to see again. Hello lovely. And this is probably my favourite salad green of all. Bit of Jack by the hedge. Garlic mustard. Bit more subtle than the ramsons and the wild garlic. So definitely get some of that. Maybe a few young dandelion leaves in the salad. A little bit of chickweed. Salad burnet. This is very nice to add to your salad. When it's young like this, you can eat the stems and the leaves. When it gets a bit bigger, you usually have to take the leaves off the stem because the stem gets a bit tough. Well, we were getting consistent rain and big hailstones and hailstorms, so I put this shelter up over my fireplace because I'm determined to cook my dinner without getting cold and wet. So I've put this up, and now that should ensure that we don't get any more rain at all now, because look, the sky is blue. Isn't it typical? The sky is blue, the sun is shining. So yeah. Anyway, if it does rain, or even if the wind picks up and it gets cold, it's been very cold. So I'm just going to have a very low fire. All this side stuff can be pulled back and out the way anyway if I need to. So I'm going to get some wood together, start making preparations for my tea, which I'm looking forward to. Whoop, whoop. This is why I'm excited about my dinner, because I got a mackerel in there. It's got some ramsons inside, some mushroom. Just going to stick it over the grill, stick it over the coals rather, and hopefully that will be tasty. Yum yum, with my potatoes, my bit of salad, bit of Old Bay sprinkled on there, as recommended by Jim Baird and quite a few other Canadian people. I've got lemon and herb Old Bay sprinkled on there, and I'm really looking forward to this dinner. Well, I made a bit of a mess getting it out of the grill because it stuck a bit, but it is yummy. Here's my wild salad I picked earlier. Got my potatoes, got a bit of horseradish on there. Bon appetit. And then there's a bit of beetroot and red cabbage in there that I made last year, which is nice to cut down the oiliness of the mackerel. It's also good. That's all I can say. Oh, and I'm christening my spoon that I made. My little hawthorn spoon. We'll get some in a minute. Don't you worry. Well, that's me done for the night. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Good night.